chilling in Lowe's, about to get some semi-gloss. Just got here. It sucks you have to wear a mask everywhere now. But these hot dogs looking banging. Exits. Can I go through the exit for a second? To flesh. Just got the paint, had like a 20-minute conversation with the lady. Hey, y'all like backfires? Y'all wanna hear some backfires? Hold on. Let me let this bitch load up. I'm up in this store. Just ran into my boy Marco. What's good, Marco, bro? Appreciate you with the discount and everything. Y'all come fuck with him. He's in this store right here. If y'all see him, tell him what's up. So yeah, looking for some shit. Thank you, Marco, bro. Everybody come over here and give Marco a big thumbs up. Saved us a few dollars on this build, so hey, thanks, brother.
Hey, I think that's good.
What chair?
Them over there.
What chair?
Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hey.
Currently taking some pictures for my grandma. This is my setup. I don't need to get a tripod. He's coming soon. So, blue chair, white background. Take an item. Just for example, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing here. Don't move the camera, and there you go. This is what's going on. First, you gotta clean up, put your scene back, Make sure everything's good. And we're good to go.